Khulumbai, Namaste, Salam. I'm on the way to Nepal, Manang. Started around 7 o'clock from Kokrajhar, my home, and I've just reached Alipur. Now I'll be reaching Hasimara. दायो थांगासिनो मानां नेपालाव ओमफ्राय बांद्राय राइडआवबो जेनेबा आं भिडिअ खालामबाय थानो हानाय नङा आरो I won't be able to capture lots of you because I'm alone. I'm riding solo now. I'll be riding in full speed. Another 80 kilometers to Siliguri, almost there. Then after that we'll have to make the papers to get inside Nepal. So in the meantime, catch you later. Catch you later in the meantime. Hello, finally in Mechepara, Nepal. So waiting for the papers. Gave my documents for immigration, and they told me like the document which I've submitted, that is not original. I told him in India they don't give us hard copy. It has to be downloaded and then it has to be print out and made as a thing, card kind of thing. They said that is a duplicate one, and they are charging me 5,000 rupees for 15 days permit. I don't know what to do, man. One side I'm riding alone, it's getting late, and now this side again they are charging me 5,000 Indian rupees for 15 days permit. Yeah, there's the immigration center. It's my bag. I gave him 4,000 rupees cash, Indian rupees now, to that guy, to the person who was sitting in the office. He himself came out and told me, he was asking me the money. So I gave him. Now let's see. So finally, Mechepara parbai. Tarmane immigration जा ज़बर है. By immigration जाने पैसा तैसे exchange खांबाय. Amray Nepal निसिम को actually मुझे बुस्तु गुगल शोला. One thing you need to remember is, for Nepal SIM you need an original Aadhaar card. It will not work with your voter ID or anything. Nothing will work. You need to carry your original Aadhaar card to avail Nepal SIM card. So what happened to me was, I had a Xerox copy of Aadhaar card and other documents, everything was original. Then I was sitting over there, then they said like they cannot give me the Nepal SIM card. So I requested that auntie, particular auntie, Mobile Legend or something, the name of the shop. I'll show the shop while coming back now, because I'm on the way now. I'm having my lunch. Mama zakhan idea na Nepali cutting mutton, Nepali cutting mutton. Only thing to remember is that you need to carry original documents. I'll start eating now. Let me. Because I was so damn hungry, you know. Awesome. It tastes good, but all the chicken, mutton pieces are all like, what do you call that? Called bones. Mutton, dal, papar, then aloo and mula. And this is radish pickle, authentic Nepali.
साग सिद्धेतिर खगि हाल्दिउँ मैले ल
Didi gave me more of some green tea. So what I'm planning now is, I'm asking all the local people and I also check the Google map. I won't be able to reach Chitwan. So I will try to hold a night in Hatauda. Or let me see, if I try pushing, I'll be reaching Chitwan. मानसिफ्रा बयबो बुंगासिनो आरो चितवन हा सहैनाय नङा आं दा इमिग्रेसन सेन्टारावनो दं नालाय खाथियावनो सहैनाय नङा होनगासिनो आरो बयबो गावसोर पुश खालामसै चितवाना जुदि खस्थ' जायोबा गारियाबो गाहायदारलै ग्राउन्ड क्लियारेन्स गैया Chitwan सहैयाबा Hataudaयाथ' ससेयावनोखा Hataudaसिम पुश खालामसै Hello friends, so finally I have reached Lahan after 14.5 hours of riding continuously from Kokradar. I started at 7 o'clock and now it's 9:30, so 14.5 hours. It's almost 10 in fact. Too tired man. I really wanted to push till Bardibas or Hatauda. It's not possible. Everybody on the road advised me not to ride till Hatauda because it's too far and too risky. And by the way, the road condition is too damn bad. Can't even see the road properly. So much dust on the road. So much. Can't even see properly the road. Anyway, reach safely. So thank you guys.